All right, so making this video real quick for a subscriber. They asked me about this new Rode wireless mic system right here. So there goes the receiver and there goes the mic, and like how to hook it up to your GoPro. So this is the GoPro Hero 9. I don't have the newest one. I didn't get the 10, probably won't even get the 11, but let's go ahead and get into it real quick and show you how you set up this Rode Wireless 2 that I highly recommend on to your GoPro. So first of all, you do need the Media Mod. So here goes the GoPro Media Mod right here. I'll throw links down in the description to everything. I did remove the little wind mic cover right here because we're not going to be using this mic that comes on it anyways. So that thing you got to do, you got to go ahead and open that up right there. See, that opens up, and that's where your GoPro is going to plug in. However, one thing you have to do to the GoPro is, see, it plugs in right there, but you got this battery door in the way. So if you just pull up on that battery door, when the first time you do it, it's gonna be a little bit harder to pop it off. But after, you can see how easy mine popped off after you've been doing it for a while. So you pop off that battery door, now you have it exposed like that. Make sure you got your memory card in there, make sure you got your battery in there. Then you go ahead, take that GoPro, slide it right on in there, connects in, push that back closed, hear a little snap right there, and then you got the GoPro set up with the Media Mod. Now you're going to take your Rode wireless receiver, and you see this side clip right there. You're going to slide, you can only slide it in one way. You can't slide it in this way. Slide it in that way right there. Boom. Got that receiver on there. And then you're going to go ahead, take this mic cord right here, connect it in to the top of the Rode wireless receiver. The way I like to do it is I like to kind of wrap it around the side right there. And then when you open up this bottom of the Media Mod, go ahead and plug it in right there. Just kind of take this cable, have it around like that. You can kind of bend this thing down if you want to try and get out of your way. That doesn't seem to ever get into the field of view for the GoPro for me. So that's kind of how I keep that. Then you got this mic you can strap onto your lapel, put that thing anywhere you want. You can also clip it onto the top right there like that. Just keep in mind that that is the front of the mic right there. So when it's faced this way, it may not capture your audio quite as clear. And you also got to be careful if you're using the camera like this to record yourself and then you flip it around because you're using the camera to point at something to talk, it's going to get a lot louder. So you'll use it, you'll figure that out. But there you go. That's how you set up the Rode Wireless Go 2. Highly recommend this mic right here, this wireless mic. Another cool thing is that you can take this microphone right here, is wireless up to quite a far distance, so I can walk way away from my camera, have the camera filming me way back here, and be talking, and it still captures that super clear, crisp audio. If any of you guys have ever watched any YouTube videos or any videos where the audio is horrible, it makes it pretty hard to watch that stuff. So I hope this video was helpful. Hopefully that's answers a question that my subscriber had. As always, keep watching more of those videos. Smash that like, hit that subscribe, help a small YouTuber out. Get stoked, go ride, and have some fun, people.